Introduction to Arcuchi Servo Press Movement Mode, Precision Blink Feeding Mode. This page introduces our company servo press system's Precision Blink Feeding Mode. The system parameters are visually adjustable, with a clear interface for easy operation. It comes with 11 built-in intelligent process libraries, covering all scene requirements and supporting flexible programming extensions. This mode is specifically designed to meet the material forming characteristics. During the cutting process, the workpiece's cutting surface is smooth and free from breakage. Using precision blinking technology, small holes and thin edges can be produced on the workpiece, saving drilling and secondary processing costs. Throughout the precision blinking production process, stamping pressure is evenly distributed on both sides of the workpiece, achieving a levelness that traditional embossing cannot attain.